y'all, it's your girl Annitra here. We're Different by Design, where faith and fashion connect, and I'm coming to you today with another bag unboxing. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you make yourself at home. Click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion. If you have been on my channel before, you've watched my content before, you're already subscribed, hey girl, hey. I'm quite sure you saw the thumbnail. If you have been watching my content lately, you know that I've been on the hunt for the perfect crossbody bags. And I feel like this little number is the perfect addition to add to my weekend hands-free crossbody collection. We are in January of 2022, and I have officially put myself on a spending strike. However, because I knew that I was going to do that to myself, I made a quick it's bad, y'all. I know. It's I actually found this bag on New Year's Eve. I had been stalking it for a while. Coach only had another color available. I saw this bag one time. I wasn't quite sure whether or not I wanted it. And then it sold out. And then the only one that was available, I'll actually try to put a picture of it here, was the other version of the Jes Crossbody and their other signature color block print. That's what it was. It's the signature color block print. And I couldn't get into it just because I wasn't feeling the colors. I felt like they should have executed the colors a little differently and I might have been interested. But the one that I have here that you see in the thumbnail is the one that I really wanted. So when I got an email from Coach basically saying that this bag was one of the ones, they were doing like a New Year's countdown where like every hour they were offering a certain bag for you know, a nice little percentage off. And I got the email that this was available. Add to cart, place order, in the discussion. Like I had to have it. And like I said, because I knew I was going to put myself on a spending strike for the month of January, I was just like, see, like, listen, either the Lord really meant for me to have this bag or temptation was like, girl, go ahead, you know, go ahead and make that last little purchase because you're not gonna be able to buy nothing for a while. So, but either way, I'm happy that I got this bag. I literally ran some, I went to run some errands today, and as you can see, I'm rocking my grown-up Garanimals. That's what I like to call the two-piece jogger sets they have for adults. I call them grown-up Garanimals. So I threw on my little grown-up Garanimals outfit and I went to run my errands and came back, and you know, a couple minutes after I got in the house, this package arrived. It was supposed to come a couple days ago, but because, you know, we got some snow, it pushed back delivery a couple days, and so it came today. I was like, let me go ahead and make this video while I have some time. So I'm not going to ramble on. Without further ado, let's just jump right into today's unboxing video. See, I don't know why it's so hard to open this tape. The anticipation is killing me. So I've seen this bag a few places. I've seen a few variations of it, but the color that I have today is the color that I really wanted. So the box is open. Oh, this is kind of huge. It's bigger than what I thought it would be. So we have the bag open here. Not the bag, the box open here. Cardboard box. We have the return shipping label. Let me take that out. Get the box out the way. Sorry for the noise. So here we have it. Another Coach unboxing, wrapped in plastic. this is pretty. And oh, this is very nice. So this is the Coach Jes Crossbody. I will put the actual name. Let me see, it's on the tag here. Yeah, the Coach Jes Signature Crossbody. And this is the color brown black. And let's just finish opening up this bag. This is so cute. So the strap is wrapped nicely in foam. Oh yeah, I'm so happy I picked this one over the other version. So we have the strap, which is black. Just gonna unwrap that and connect it. Y'all, this bag is just so adorable. Let's see, I'll put it on the third. Let's see. So this is the bag. It has the slip pocket in the back. I feel like this bag is going to be like perfect for people like me who, you know, we say we want crossbody, we say we want smaller, but our natural inclination is still to carry around the kitchen sink. So we have two zippered compartments, actually. One compartment, another compartment, take out all of the items. So in the back zipper compartment, we have the Coach story tag, and then we have another pocket with the authentication card and the care instructions, and again the security tag. Make sure you take that out because you don't want to be going off setting off the alarms in stores. So we have those two zippered compartments. Now y'all know how I feel about silver hardware, gunmetal hardware. That's my preferred choices, but I will say every once in a while I do come across something that has gold hardware that I feel is, you know, it's a good find. The gold doesn't annoy me too much. Oh boy, everything is so wrapped to perfection. I think those scissors. So I'm literally just unwrapping the rest of the foam. This bag is so pretty. So here we have it completely unwrapped. We have the adjustable crossbody strap. Again, the color is signature with in the black and brown print. And it has black on the sides, black at the top, black at the bottom, and then the brown background with the black C's. So classy. And again, this is a Coach outlet find, which is why we have the Coach logo is, you know, slightly larger than you may see on an actual Coach store purchase. And we have the gold Coach tag. Now this just sounds, all the hardware on here sounds like quality. You hear how loud that is? I don't see the gold like tarnishing or turning at all. We have the lobster claw clasps and the knob has the word Coach on it here, and then the word Coach is also on the screw at the bottom there, and then on the D-rings we also have Coach etched into the D-rings. I am here for this bag. The inner slip pockets is black, but you get a little bit of the peekaboo signature here, but it's basically black on the inside. These zippers are amazing. They just sound like quality hardware. The word Coach is on both zippers. And again, on the inside compartments, they're black. This bag is adorable. You can fit anything in here. Let me do a quick test run to show you guys just what exactly you can fit inside this bag. Okay, let me show you guys just what exactly can fit inside this little number. So I'm going to open up our compartments. So in the front compartment, you can fit sunglasses. Let's see. Some lotion and sanitizer. Listen, Lysol. If you're gonna go out, stay safe or stay home. Some tissues, extra mask, some gum. If you're a germaphobe like me, you got some wet ones. That's all in this first compartment with space to spare. Second compartment, let's see here. That's where you have the extra slip pocket. I'm gonna put card case, a comb. You can put your whole key thing. You don't have to take off the keys and just, you know, carry the essentials. You can put the keys in. You can add a compact and your lippy. Section number 2 closes with no problem, and you still have space to add your phone and AirPods, and you will still reap all the benefits of being hands-free. It is not overstuffed. As you can see, the bag still has its shape. There's nothing like poking through. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Is this something you would add to your bag collection, your crossbody collection? Let me give it one more time to spin and show the beauty that is this Jes Crossbody and signature print in the black and brown. Is this a bag you would add to your crossbody collection? You know what would really have set this bag off? If it had feet. But I know, you know, because it's a crossbody, they didn't think to add feet. But I feel like that would have just took this bag to like a whole nother level. Having feet on a crossbody is everything. I'm also going to show you, because I've gotten these questions before on previous bag hauls, what does it look like on me? So I am 5'7", I am going to show you what this bag looks like on the, let's see, which hole is this? I currently have it on the third hole, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes to choose from. I currently have it on the third hole. Let me show you what it looks like on me. So as you can see, it hits at my hip, and if I lowered it, it would fall like below my hip. So yeah, the bottom of the bag is touching the top of my hip. If I put it on the second or third, it would probably be a lot longer than I would want it to be. So this is like perfect. You are getting a close-up of my grown-up Garanimal set. Are you feeling this bag the way I'm feeling this bag? Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. Again, make sure you click subscribe, click the notification bell to stay tuned for all things faith and fashion. Again, I'm your girl Annitra with Different by Design, where faith and fashion connect. You have a great day.